The 2025 Audi S5 sedan and Sportback are expected to have starting prices ranging from $59,195 to $66,000, depending on the trim and options. When Audi introduces an S model, it signifies enhanced performance, and the 2025 S5 is no exception, featuring a potent six-cylinder engine and a sport-tuned suspension. For 2025, the S5 Sportback will come in two versions. The first is the current generation model, which has been available in the US since 2018. This version uses a 349 horsepower turbocharged V6 and can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.3 seconds. The second version is the all-new S5 sedan, debuting for 2025 with a more powerful 362 horsepower twin-turbo V6 engine. The new sedan also offers an upgraded interior with more screens, enhanced driver assistance features, and additional modern conveniences. Audi will sell both the current S5 Sportback and the new S5 sedan side by side in 2025, offering buyers a choice. The mid-level Premium Plus trim of the current S5 Sportback provides a solid balance of features, including a 12.3-inch digital gauge display, blind spot monitoring with rear cross-traffic alert, navigation, passive entry, wireless smartphone charging, leather upholstery, massaging front seats, and automated emergency braking. While full pricing and trim details for the new S5 are yet to be released, it's expected to be available in Premium, Premium Plus, and Prestige trims. The 2025 S5 features a 3.0-liter turbocharged V6 engine producing 362 horsepower. All-wheel drive and a dual-clutch automatic transmission are standard, offering better performance compared to the current S5 Sportback, which uses a 349 horsepower turbo V6 and a conventional 8-speed automatic transmission. The new model delivers improved responsiveness, with a quicker shifting dual-clutch transmission and enhanced chassis balance in corners, though some reviewers found the steering effort to be light. Fuel economy for the 2025 S5 Sportback is EPA rated at 20 miles per gallon in the city and 29 miles per gallon on the highway, which is a slight decrease of 1 mile per gallon in both categories compared to the previous model, but still reasonable given the more powerful twin-turbo V6 engine. Once the new S5 undergoes real-world testing, fuel economy results will be updated. Both the current and new S5 Sportbacks feature a hatchback design, offering ample cargo space, with the new model providing slightly more capacity. Both can seat 5 people, with the rear seat in the new S5 offering more space than its predecessor. Standard features include heated and massaging front seats, 3-zone climate control, a sunroof, and passive entry with push-button start. The new model boasts significant upgrades in technology. The outgoing S5 Sportback has a 10.1-inch touchscreen and a digital gauge display, while the 2025 version includes an 11.9-inch digital gauge display and a larger 14.5-inch center touchscreen that curves toward the driver. A 10.9-inch display for the front passenger and a large head-up display are also available. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto will be standard, and an optional 20-speaker bang and a Lufsen stereo will be offered for audiophiles inside the new Audi S5. A large, curved screen spans across the dashboard, combining 2 displays, an 11.9-inch digital instrument cluster and a 14.5-inch touchscreen. While the instrument cluster is less customizable than before, meaning features like a map in front of the driver are no longer possible. The center touchscreen is feature-rich and retains a physical volume knob. An optional passenger screen can display navigation, audio, and other features, and there's also a head-up display. The interior features suede-like material on the dash and door panels, with ambient lighting running along the base of the windshield and throughout the cabin. US models will come with a panoramic sunroof. However, despite these high-tech features, the overall feel of the interior isn't as luxurious as rivals like the Mercedes C-Class. The front seats are high-back bucket seats with fixed headrests, and thanks to a longer wheelbase, the rear seats offer more space, providing enough room for a 6-foot passenger behind a similarly sized driver. Headroom is adequate, but the middle seat remains uncomfortable. The trunk offers 26 cubic feet of cargo space, which is an improvement of 4 cubic feet over the previous model. Audi is retiring the A4 after over 30 years in the premium compact segment and introducing a new generation A5/S5. The number of body styles is being reduced from 5 to 1, with only a four-door hatchback remaining, and the Sportback label is being dropped. The coupe, convertible, and all-road wagon are also being discontinued, though a stylish Avant wagon will be available in Europe, which U.S. buyers can only admire from afar. The new S5 is larger in every dimension compared to the outgoing Sportback, with a particular increase in length and wheelbase, around 3 inches more. The previous model's wavy body creases have been replaced by more straightforward, clean lines. While other markets will receive advanced matrix LED headlights and OLED taillights that can display different lighting effects, these features won't be available in the U.S. Instead, U.S. buyers will have the option of 8 different DRL and taillight patterns. The A5/S5 is the first model to use Audi's new premium platform combustion, PPC, architecture, which will be the brand's final platform for internal combustion engines. The A5 is powered by a 268-horsepower turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder, while the S5 features a turbocharged 3.0-liter V6 with 362 horsepower and 406 lb-ft of torque, an increase of 13 horsepower and 37 lb-ft over the previous model. Both engines are paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, replacing the previous 8-speed automatic, and all-wheel drive is standard. European models tested included a 48-volt hybrid assist system, but this feature will not be available in the U.S. Acceleration is brisk, with Audi claiming 4.5 seconds to reach 62 miles per hour, compared to the outgoing model's 4.2 seconds to 60 miles per hour. The dual-clutch transmission shifts smoothly, without jerky engagement at low speeds, and the V6 engine emits a subtle growl, though the exhaust note is mostly subdued. The S5 features by-wire hydraulic braking, which provides a firm initial bite and remains stable during normal driving. The S5 comes equipped with a sport suspension and optional adaptive dampers, offering 3 drive modes: comfort, balanced, and dynamic. While dynamic mode offers excellent body control, it doesn't soften sharp bumps. Comfort mode absorbs rough pavement well, but can cause some head toss.